In this video, we'll be going over how to replace the hook sensor board on your 6 or 7 series bill acceptors, such as A6, V6, A7, or V7s. So if you have the lower hook sensor module with the LED board and your motor housing are already separate, to put them back together, you want to route your hook cable through the little hole right here. Pull that cable through. And then, as you can see, it'll just go, you can see through the holes there. And then that's going to take these 2 screws and secure that to that's one. Do the other side. And those are secure. Those are basically screwing into those holes on the other side of the motor housing. So once that's all back together, you can put your belts back on their path and then reinstall this middle module back into the main housing of your bill acceptor.